Alright, today we are installing a Yukon gear and axle air compressor into a JK with an ARB air locker. Inside the box we have instructions, wiring diagram, we have the compressor itself, and one of the cool things about this compressor is the bracket can spin for mounting locations. Gives you a nice rubber boot for your pressure switch to protect that. And we have two spots here for air lines. Then we have switch and bezel. Comes with a wiring harness with relay and wire loom, and it comes with terminals for your switches. Pretty nice all-in-one cohesive kit. And we will show you more as we go to install it in the Jeep. All good?
Don't try to be good for everyone, 'cause everyone can hurt you and get right in your soul.
So we made some notches here on this piece so that the bolt heads will clear. We're going to plug weld it there and there, a little stitch there, and tack weld the heads of the bolts. And then the air compressor will bolt over top of that and onto a stud I have into the ABS tray there. Put it here so that it's up out of the water if somebody was to go off-road and get deep, and it's a spot that isn't used for anything. So locate the compressor right here. It's easy to plumb, it's easy to wire, and isn't in the way of anything. So there it is, all mounted. It clears everything. Our wiring will be here, out the back, and we'll have two spots here for running our air line down to our air locker. Okay. So hey guys, this is our Yukon air compressor you saw me install earlier on in this video. Now it is fully wired and plumbed. We have our relay here and our fuse. We try to do everything here fused and relayed where we possibly can, so you have a good experience with that. We have our switch right here with our air line going down to our front axle to our ARB locker. And we have a pressure switch here so that it will only go to a certain pressure and then shut off. As you saw, it does not run very long or take up a very long time for it to turn that locker on. It's a great product, very compact, fits in the engine bay nicely, and is great for this use. Hey Jeep family, thanks for watching, looking at this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow our current videos so you know what we're up to.